Hey, Ben here from Solar and Sat. Another busy week in the Solar and Sat workshop with a mix of different jobs. Let's take a look at what we've been up to. Now, the owners of this new age big red caravan have had loads of different companies work on it over the years, and they've had nothing but ongoing power issues. So what we've decided to do is completely remove all the old stuff, start again, install 3 new additional solar panels on the roof, a full Victron suite, and that's got them running with more power than they've ever had. Now, for those of you who like specs, we've got the 12.8 volt 200 amp hour Victron Smart Lithium battery. We've got the small BMS, which is controlling and protecting that battery through use of a 65 amp and 100 amp battery protect for your ins and your outs. 2 200 watt solar panels, a 120 watt solar panel, which all runs through the 100-50 Victron solar controller, as well as an additional 75-15 solar controller, which will control any external panels they may want to plug in, and it'll all link up through VE network. Then we've got the 30 amp Blue Smart IP22 Victron 240 volt charger. That one there's for when they plug into 240. We've got the BMW 712, which will handle all the monitoring of the system, as well as an 18 amp DC-DC charger to charge them up while they drive down the road. With all those units in there, they won't be having any more power issues anytime soon. And here's another new age caravan. This time we've installed a SatKing Promax automatic satellite TV system with 2 television points and an external infrared eye, all attached to an external mount that Adam's made up. Now they've got the best of both worlds. They can relax inside in comfort and watch their TV, or they can set up camp and watch their favourite shows outside, no matter where they are in Australia. We've also been working on a variety of motorhome installations this week. First off, a Winnebago requiring a new satellite TV system. The SatKing Promax was the natural choice for this one. The smaller, much more compact design is ideal for RVs where space is at a premium. Adam also installed a SatKing Promax in this Jayco Conquest RV. To save taking up extra storage space, he mounted the vast decoder box vertically on the wall underneath the controller right near the TV. Very neat and out of the way. Next up, we had an A-Van motorhome roll in. Their existing 4 solar panels had failed, so it was time for an upgrade. We fitted 3 120 watt solar panels and a 200 watt solar panel for a total of 560 watts of solar. This, running through the 100-50 SMARTSOLAR Victron solar controller, allows them to be off-grid for as long as they want. And this Crusader Excalibur received the full Enerdrive treatment, including 125 amp hour lithium battery, 40 amp 240 volt charger, 40 amp DC-DC and solar controller, 1000 watt inverter, an additional 200 watt solar panel. These customers now have an extremely long-lasting and reliable system with 5 years warranty from top to bottom that can take them anywhere. So if you're looking for a quality power system or a quality satellite system, RV or 4-wheel drive, come see us at Solar and Sat Bundaberg.